bench conference in this case. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move this PCC to 3 o'clock. There's information that's gonna be supplied to defense counsel that could affect the defendant's bond and the conditions on his bond. So I want to make sure we have at least some time to look at that information. So I'll pass this until 3 p.m. Thank you.
Awesome.
Court does call the case. People versus Rhea Brand.
And then on behalf of the people, Your Honor. Student attorney Kara Rosengren requesting permission to practice under Michigan Court Rule 8.120 under the supervision of Assistant Public Defender Hannah Apple on behalf of Ms. Brand. Ms. Brand, if you could state your name for the record.
Zaria Brand.
Tell her to state her name for the record before I even ruled on her motion.
And what she just did? You did? You did that?
Just go with the flow.
So she thinks she's all grown up now. Is that it? It's like between last week and this week that Tiger earned all those stripes. Okay.
Your Honor, we are requesting, I'm sorry.
She just doesn't care. She doesn't care that I've not done anything. Haven't given her permission. She's just gonna go. Don't worry about it. You're okay.
It's her. I'm having the issue with her.
I should make her do it all over again. That's what I used to do in the old days. But I'm a much nicer person now. I want so much to deny him. But I won't. Permission to practice is granted.
Thank you, Your Honor. I appreciate it so much. Your Honor, we are requesting an adjournment in Ms. Brand's case. We are still waiting on some video and a 911 call discovery, so.
Conference will be adjourned June 12, 2025, 9 a.m. Bond will continue. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Your Honor.
Court calls case, People versus Chad Jones.
That's for the people, Your Honor.
Herman Dadish on behalf of Mr. Jones.
Thank you.
Your Honor, we are going to be requesting an adjournment. He has 2 other PCCs up next week, where the bond, he was up last week.
Right.
We had adjourned those to next week. So I was going to adjourn to resolve everything together next week.
Oh, okay. So he was up. I adjourned those 2 weeks out, basically, so they landed next week.
Right. And
And
yeah,
then there's
you're
this one.
Mhm.
All right.
And also we just got discovery on this case, so we need time to review it as well.
So everything right now is set for the 5th or the 12th for him?
It should be the 5th.
The 5th?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. And I'll adjourn this probable cause here to June 5th, 2020.
Some stories never reach the headlines, but they unfold right here, between the wooden benches and the cold microphones. Small cases, big consequences. Every name called is a universe of mistakes, choices, and second chances colliding under fluorescent light.
25, 9 a.m. Get all those cases together. Bond will continue. All right. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Court calls case of the People versus Grace Brenner.
And on behalf of the people, Your Honor.
Assistant Public Defender Hannah Apple appearing on behalf of Grace Brenner. Will you state your name for the record?
Hello again, Your Honor. My name is Grace.
Thank you.
And Your Honor, we are
I
asking,
shouldn't care to do it.
She's fully capable.
She.
There's no reason. Other than
Is it?
Ms. Brenner
Was
and
she
I have been
supposed
working
to
together
do
for
it?
a little while. No,
Kara wasn't supposed to do it?
no,
Oh,
I only have 2. She has
I thought she was trying-
she has the other 10.
I thought she was trying to be late.
Yeah,
Okay.
no.
Okay.
I just took 2.
All right.
The rest are hers. Your Honor, we're asking for an adjournment. There's some additional discovery investigation that we are doing in this
That's
matter.
trying to do on this.
Yeah.
Will 2 weeks be enough for you? Did you need more time than that? I know you're trying
Is
to.
2 weeks enough, Ms. Brenner, or do you need for the phone situation or would,
My apologies.
sorry, go ahead.
I believe 2 weeks should be enough.
So
Yes.
why don't I do this? Let me give a little bit more time. I'll just go to the 17th. That's a Tuesday.
Okay.
June 17th, 2025, 9 a.m. Bond will continue. Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Case of the People versus Bruce Pickens.
Andrew Childers appearing on behalf of people. Michael Getty, Assistant Public Defender on behalf of Mr. Pickens. Mr. Pickens, state your name. Bruce Pickens.
Thank you.
Your Honor, I'd ask the court to set these matters for exam.
For exam.
Yes, Judge.
All discoveries complete on this?
Yes, Judge, I believe so.
People have witnesses available to attend?
That's fine.
Preliminary examination in these matters will be set in person, June 10th, 2025, 9 a.m. before Judge Valvo.
Thank you,
Bond
Judge.
will continue in these matters.
Thank you, Judge.
Court does call the case of People versus Frank Clark.
Michael Getty, Assistant Public Defender on behalf of Mr. Clark, Your Honor.
Mr. Clark, you'll have to unmute and turn your camera on. State your name.
Frank Clark.
All right, what are we doing?
Your Honor, I have had a chance to discuss this matter with the assistant prosecutor. I do believe we have a resolution. I'll need to go over that with Mr. Clark, and we'll need to do a plea form. I have submitted a adjournment request, but I think we'll be able to move this file next at the next.
I have a green sheet.
I did submit a green sheet.
June 12th, 2025, 9 a.m.
Thank you.
Oh, you have a bunch of them. Okay, that's fine. Bond continue. Thank you.
Thank you.
I'll give you a call when I'm out of court, Mr. Clark.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Getty.
Look at your text.
Court does call the case of People versus LaDonta Skinner.
Okay, we're to make that be for the people.
Good morning again, Your Honor.
There's always that one moment, the shift, when a simple question suddenly turns the tide. The lawyer's tone softens, the witness flinches, and the room forgets to breathe. You can't script it. It's not performance. It's raw, messy truth colliding with justice in real time.
Student Attorney Kara Rosengren, under the supervision of Assistant Public Defender Anna Apple, if it pleases the court.
Did I ask for all that? No. Ask for that? Yeah. She yells from way back there. So.
Something Apple taught her.
Okay, go ahead.
Could you state your name for the record?
LaDonta Skinner. Thank you, Miss. All right, what are we doing?
We are requesting to adjourn for Mr. Skinner because we are attempting to look into some additional video discovery.
A lot of attempts to do things. Without objection, probable cause conference will be adjourned June 12th, 2025, 9 a.m. Bond continue.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Mr. Skinner. Court calls the case of the People versus Deshaun Clifton.
Stephanie Cannon on behalf of Mr. Clifton, who is appearing. All right, Mr. Clifton, could you please state your name for the record?
Deshaun Clifton. Thank you.
And Your Honor, we're going to ask for a 2-week adjournment of this case. We're looking for mitigation. Please.
June 12th, 9 a.m. bond continue.
Thank you so much, Your Honor.
We're just moving the whole docket to that day. Court calls the case, People versus Kevin Smith.
If you were to make that for the people.
Stephanie Cannon, on behalf of Mr. Smith.
Who is not present, Your Honor?
Oh,
So, Your Honor, it's my understanding that he was being held. When I went, he was not. When I went to the jail
we
yesterday,
had a lot of that today.
and when I checked with him today, he wasn't there. So I have not had the opportunity to speak with him, Your Honor.
Bench warrant will issue for defendant's failure to appear. Bond 10,000, cash surety. That warrant will issue immediately.
Thank you so much, Your Honor.
Thank you. Court calls case, People versus Duante Cooper Walker.
That is for the people.
Assistant Public Defender Nicholas Bukovich on behalf of Mr. Cooper Walker, who should be appearing via Zoom.
Sir, please state your name.
You want to take Cooper Walker?
Thank you.
We should be requesting a 2-week adjournment to obtain media discovery.
Probable cause conference will be adjourned June 12, 2025, 9 a.m. Bond continue.
My client would actually like me to briefly address bond if possible.
Sure.
Mr. Cooper Walker is currently on a home confinement tether. He'd be requesting that his tether be transition from home confinement to GPS tracking. He is a father to 3 young children. He does want to participate in activities such as taking them to school and taking them to the park. He also is working at an employment. However, he has not been able to schedule the interview due to the home confinement tether. And as he did not have that prior to the home confinement tether being put on him, he couldn't constitute that as work. So we'd be requesting a modification of the GPS tether, the home confinement tether to GPS.
Your Honor, the people believe that home confinement is tethers is appropriate here. Mr. Cooper Walker has an criminal history. We would note that his criminal history is over the last few years. He has had 2 different HIDA CCW cases and a possession of analog HIDA case just in 2021. He had in 2022, he had a CCW and delivery manufacturing case. In 2024, he had a reckless driving failure to stay at the scene of property damage case and an attempt R&O case, and then fleeing forth and driver's license suspended case. The reason that he was getting arrested that led to this alleged R&O in this case is because he had a probation violation and a failure to appear in the 2 different 2024 cases. And when the police went to arrest him, he allegedly, even though he was at a baseball field.
Behind every stack of papers lies a human story. Love lost, trust broken, pride wounded. The law can quote numbers and codes, but it can't capture heartbreak. That's where humanity sneaks in, quietly reminding everyone justice might be blind, but it still feels everything.
Filled with children, fled from the police, even though they tried to convince him not to create a scene in front of all the kids. The police had to chase him in between baseball fields where children were playing. So, Your Honor, we do believe that given.
Anything else?
I was reiterate that he is a local resident of the county. He's been at the same address for the last 2 to 3 years. I do not believe he is a flight risk, and I do believe the GPS tether would allow for insurance that he appears for court and allows the court to know where he is at. So I believe that would address any potential danger to the community.
Motion for bond reduction or modification is denied. Bond will continue as it is. Calls case, People versus Braylon Tabor.
Jennifer Douglas for the people.
Oh, she's back. Oh, she's not yelling from the back yet, though. She like waited to get all the way up here.
Hello again, Your Honor. Student Attorney Kara Rosengren, under the supervision of Assistant Public Defender Hannah Apple, on behalf of Mr. Tabor. Could you state your name for the record, please?
Braylon Tabor. Thank you. All right, what are we doing?
We would request that the court set a date for exam, please.
All discovery complete.
Yes, sir.
People have their witnesses available to 10. Preliminary examination, June 10th, 2025, 9 a.m. That is before Judge Barr.
I'm sorry, apparently, Your Honor, Mr. Tabor already has court on June 10th. I'm sorry, I just found out.
Where?
It's a different case. I mean, it's a different state, but it's on Zoom, but it's a lot. I gotta do a lot that day.
So you can't do a Zoom here and have his preliminary exam?
I mean, I got stuff. I mean, it'd be better if it was a different day, basically.
Court would be so kind to set it for the next date after that. Otherwise, Mr. Tabor and I will work out the details.
June 10th better than 11th for. So.
Pardon?
It would be a week after that.
Oh,
Around
week.
Tuesday.
Okay.
Yeah.
Any objection from the people?
No, there's not an objection. It's that.
June 17th, 2025, 9 a.m. before Judge Moore.
Appreciate it.
Thank you so much, Your Honor.
Bond will continue. Thank you. Here to coordinate with people's social schedules. Huh? Yeah, Zoom meetings are social schedule, social thing. Yeah, I don't know. I shouldn't have done it. What? I don't have to do anything nice for the rest of the day? All right, that works. Court calls case, People versus Anthony Turner.
Stephanie Cannon on behalf of Mr. Turner. Your Honor, we are requesting a 2-week adjournment in this matter, and when appropriate, I would ask the court if I could address bond.
The objection, probable cause conference, June 12, 2025, 9 a.m. As to bond.
Thank you, Your Honor. My client, he wants to let the court know that he's very apologetic for not appearing in court for his failure to appear. My client is homeless. And so at that point, it was winter. The date, no mail, he wasn't receiving anything. And so he was picked up and subsequently arrested. My client is asking this court to allow him to be released today on personal recognizance. He is now back at the Delana Center and he's receiving his mail there. He has set that up. He is also receiving his shot now. So things are going a lot better for him. And so he's asking the court for the opportunity to be released.
All right, I mean, we waited a long time for him to be here. And I have no assurances that it's going to show back up. So for those reasons, motion for bond reduction is denied. Bond will continue.
I'm not going home.
No, he's not late. We discussed that yesterday.
June 12th.
Yes,
June 12th.
and I'll come see you before then, okay?
Court calls the case, People versus Sean Cotton.
Assistant Public Defendant Nicholas Bukovich on behalf of Mr. Cotton.
Sure, finally. You were here when I called you one of your cases. I'm shocked. All right.
Yes.
Mr. Cotton, can you state your name, please?
Yes, sir. Sean Cotton.
Thank you. What are we doing?
We'll be requesting adjournment to allow Mr. Cotton some time to pay some restitution towards a misdemeanor resolution.
Okay, how much more time is he going to need to do that?
I understand he can make roughly $1,000 payment by next Tuesday. The restitution amount is quite substantial, so I'd be asking for approximately a month if possible to allow him to have a little bit more time. But he is supposed to be making a substantial payment by next Tuesday, or this upcoming Tuesday.
Any objection from the
Every gavel strike is more than sound. It's a heartbeat, a moment that freezes time and rewrites futures. For one person, it's relief. For another, ruin. The sound fades, but the meaning doesn't, because justice, once spoken, can't be unsaid.
people? Turn it to July 3rd, 2025, 9 a.m. bond continued.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Court calls the case, People versus Martez Dalton.
Assistant Public Defender Tina Apple appearing on behalf of Mr. Dalton. Your Honor, but not with him. I did receive information this morning that he contacted Mr. Bowling from our office and that he is on a bus from Detroit and was en route this morning.
No.
I think this happened last time.
Like 3-4 weeks in a row of a bus story. No.
I think I might have missed those dates, but it sounds like he appeared eventually.
I can tell you the attorneys in your office to talk to about the bus thing. So where is he right now? Because Cannon was involved with the bus. She's the one that had the picture.
I'm like, why?
Video.
If I would have known, I would have submitted a Zoom.
So what?
In suits.
I know. I had no idea of all of this. Or
Who's innocent? No, Apple. No. So where he's coming from a bus from Detroit? That's where it always starts. So what do you want me to do?
If the court would be so gracious to pass this matter.
Okay, so the first one I passed was at 9 o'clock. We called him what? At 3 by the time he got here. The other one didn't get called till late afternoon. You have no idea do you really have any idea if he's on the bus?
My understanding is he's talked to Mr. Bowling this morning and was on a bus en route.
So Bowling's the one that's telling us bus.
Yes, I have not had direct. I have no reason not.
All right, then I need video. I'll pass it.
Maybe I can get a photo.
Video other than like out the window seeing trees go by. I need.
All right, I'll try to do that. Thank you.
We're not getting video. Court calls the case, People versus Thomas Vasher.
Echelon of people.
Assistant Public Defender Nicholas Bukovich on behalf of Mr. Vasher.
Your name?
Thomas Basher.
All right, what are we doing?
Your Honor, we are requesting an adjournment to obtain some media discovery, and when appropriate, my client would like me to address bond.
He has a bond. Hey, do you have the bond violation report?
I do not have the bond violation report.
This just came in.
Oh, then if it just came in, I would not.
A bond violation.
I don't know.
It's a report that was you.
Oh, you know.
Oh, that's my handwriting.
know.
Yeah, unless if-
Oh,
I don't,
You didn't remember.
yeah, that might be why he's in custody.
Right. That
Got it. Okay, got it. All right. Probable cause conference, June 12th, 2025, 9 a.m. As to bond.
as to bond, Your Honor, I'll be requesting a PR bond on behalf of Mr. Vasher for the reason why he missed his last probable cause conference court date. It did appear he was in communication with our office. He did talk to one of my colleagues. They were going to request an adjournment, and he misunderstood, thinking that meant he would, that mean that he didn't have to show up to that particular court date. So we do have good contact information for him. He is being supported by his church and has been attending programming from Home and New Vision. So So I would be requesting a PR bond.
You sponsoring the people?
Your Honor, I do believe the defendant is on probation under the 22nd Circuit Court for assaulting, resisting, or obstructing a police officer. In this case, he was taken into custody, I believe, for a warrant related to that probation. And when he was arrested, he was found to be in possession of several different individuals' IDs or cards, credit cards of this nature. So I do not think a PR bond is appropriate, and he did have a failure to appear.
Anything else?
I said, I was reiterate, I know he has a support system. He will be appearing in the court. We do have good contact information for him. And I will be requesting that.
What do you want to say, Mr. Vash?
Mr. Simpson, Your Honorable Judge, I just want to inform you that every day of my life, I get up and I live with that lady in the back there in the court, and I get on my bicycle and I ride right there, the little lady right there. And I ride my bicycle every day, and I pick up garbage out of churches and school parking lots. And that's where I find
I would
IDs,
advise
credit
him to
cards.
stop making any statements. Because that could be, those could be used
Well,
against.
that's just the truth. That's where I even got the credit card.
I would advise you to stop making that statement.
I've done everything right. I'm doing good. I'm really, for the first time in my life, proud of myself.
I've set this out to the 12th. I'm going to deny the request for a change in bond at this juncture. Is he going to be dealing with the circuit court matter anytime soon? Violation?
I'm not sure of his court date off the top of my head. I would have to check.
Okay. So his bond at this point will continue. Thank you.
So PR bond?
Your bond's continued. It's not a PR bond.
It's not a PR bond?
Your bond's being continued.
I've been doing everything right since everything. Everything I'm supposed to do.
Okay, you keep talking at me, it's gonna get worse. Okay, thank you. First case, People versus Dave Ellington. Oh, no.
And for done this for the people.
Oh, no, she's back. No, I didn't mean that you couldn't yell from the back. I mean, you can yell. Everybody else yells.
Student attorney Kara Rosengren, under the supervision of Assistant Public Defender Hannah Apple, on behalf of Mr. Ellington. If you could state your name for the record.
Dave Ellington. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
All right, what are we doing?
Your Honor, we are asking for an adjournment so that we can review the discovery that we have with Mr. Ellington.
All right. Probable cause conference, I'll adjourn it to June 17th, 2025, 9 a.m. Bond continued. That's a Tuesday.
Okay. Thank you very much, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Yes, I did. Court calls case People versus Brittany Weatherspoon.
And then on behalf of the people, Your Honor.
We're ready in this matter. Warren Brown, Deputy Chief Public Defender, appearing with and on behalf of Ms. Brittany Weatherspoon. Ms. Weatherspoon, please state your name for the record.
Brittany Weatherspoon.
Your Honor, today is the date and time set for the probable cause conference. We are respectfully requesting that this matter be set for preliminary examination at the earliest possible date.
Discovery is complete.
As to the best of our knowledge, we have everything there is to have.
People have the witnesses available the 10th. Preliminary examination in person, June 10th, 2025, 9 a.m. before Judge Barr.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Bond. Continue. Sure.
It's come to my attention that she has attempted to call a victim 3 times after she was arraigned. So this time I would be asking that her phone privileges be revoked, given that she has no contact in this case, as well as her case in district court with the same victim.
Tell me first. Your Honor, is there a no contact provision in this case?
Is there one?
Yes. My client understood that due to the pregnancy between herself and the complaining witness, that she was allowed to have some contact to discuss that.
I have in my notes that it would be third party contact, not contact directly with the
What I have, it's no contact with Mr. Chandler. And then under other conditions, third party consensual contact allowed for pregnancy update.
Okay, so I believe my client may simply have misunderstood.
Yes, Your Honor, I apologize. I misunderstood that. No way, shape or form.
So she wasn't intending to violate any the bond conditions. I think she just misunderstood what kind of contact she was to have with respect to the pregnancy. So we'd ask that going forward with an admonishment from the court that she knows that she's not to have any direct contact, that her phone privilege is allowed to be remained because she'll still need to contact other people concerning the pregnancy.
So I guess I'm trying to figure out, how was the third party? I mean, that's said here, but I don't know how that was supposed to work. So, I mean, I'm
not sure either.
Ms. Witherspoon might be confused. Ms. Witherspoon, sometimes when you're winning, you should probably just be quiet. So how is that supposed to work? I'm trying to figure out what it means so I can even apprise Ms. Witherspoon what it means. Is that? Sure.